Hey guys, Oli here from Oli's Wood Shop. Sorry for the mess behind me, but we have this amazing slab. Our friend Jeremy Walton with Roaming Wolf Entertainment, you can check out his YouTube channel, we'll link it below. And he is upgrading his desk at his house, and we got the honors of making it a sit stand and sanding it and filling all the holes with epoxy. Check out this slab. It is from Angel City Lumber. That's a local lumber shop near us in downtown Los Angeles. They get all of their lumber locally in Los Angeles County, and I think this one came from Pasadena, if I'm not mistaken. So I just want to show you all the different tones in it. It's really, really, really pretty. And we are going to fill, we did one little sample here, just of some clear epoxy. So we're gonna fill all these cracks and holes with epoxy. But it's so beautiful. So Jeremy wants more of a matte finish. So I'm only gonna be sanding it up to like 280 grit. So it'll be less sanding for me, but it's gonna look really pretty. He bought a new Odie's oil, which is called the Oxy oil, and I've never used it before, so I'm excited to give it a go and give it a try. And it's supposed to enhance the dark spots in the coloring of the wood, and it's supposed to darken with age. So we will see after we apply all that, and I want to take you guys through the process. Oh, and we're going to be, obviously, let me show you the live edge part of this. We are going to clean this all up, all this excess. We pretty much removed most of it, but we got to get all this dead bark off right here and make it look really pretty and smooth. All right, let's get into it. Hope you guys enjoyed that footage of the process of getting this slab beautified. It's all finished. Art and I stayed at the shop a little late, just putting the Odie's oil, the Oxy oil, buffing it, and just making sure that it's completely dry and ready to be delivered today. So we are going to head to Jeremy's. We just got to load this up. I'm not doing it. It's so heavy. Like just flipping it over and oiling the bottom and sanding the bottom, I was like, whoa, it was like a kick to the back. So I'm gonna have the guys help Art load it into the truck so we can deliver it and assemble it over at Jeremy's house. So I just wanna show you the finished product here. It came out so good, it's so smooth. Matte finish, and I'm really liking the Oxy Odie oil. It's really cool. It did really bring out the dark spots, the green and the dark in the wood. Jeremy really likes it, so we're excited to get it delivered. All right, let me take you to his house. So we are here at Jeremy Walton's house and we got the desk all installed. We have it on the legs, the sit-stand frame, and it has little casters so he can roll it around and move it throughout the living room wherever he wants it. And we're gonna let Jeremy set it up and he'll take some footage for us of his whole setup after the finish kind of just settles and cures for I think 3 days. So that's it. That's the finished product. He's super happy with it and I think we're all pleased. It came out really nice. All right guys, that's it.